How's it going, YouTube? Please hit the like or subscribe button. I'm trying to get this channel up and going. It'll help you guys save some money. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to email me at mariomartinez804@yahoo.com. What I'm working on is a 2008 Honda Accord 2.4, and the cell that I have is a p0420, and what that code is catalytic converter below efficiency. I'm going to show you what causes that code and what you can do to help trick that code into thinking that catalytic converter is functioning properly. So what you're looking at is the data logging of your first oxygen sensor. So what you're looking at is the reading of it: rich, lean, rich, lean, rich, lean. Now this is before the CAT. This is sensor 1, your upstream. So basically it's functioning properly. What causes this code to come on is when your second oxygen sensor, sensor 2, your downstream oxygen sensor, reads similar to your first oxygen sensor, your upstream oxygen sensor. Let me show you the reading on the second one, the downstream. Oh, let me go back real quick. So right here it shows the catalytic monitor condition is not good, and it shows the catalytic temperature is high enough for this to be functioning properly, and it's not. So this is the reading of your second oxygen sensor, and it's showing the rich, lean, rich, lean, rich, lean condition. So the computer knows that it's not functioning properly because it's reading as the same as the first. This should be pretty much flatlined. I mean, you'll get a little peak here and there, but it should be pretty much flatlined, because what it's doing is your CAT burns off all the excess emissions and it'll cause it to flatline. So, and how you can mimic that and trick that is your downstream oxygen sensor. You want to take it out of the exhaust and you want to screw in this. What this is, you could make one. You could get it at AutoZone. It's called a spark plug fowler, and the ones that you got to make, you got to drill it out so the tip of the head of the oxygen sensor will screw into here. This one I bought off of eBay. You could look them up. They're called spark plug extenders, or I mean O2 sensor extenders, I'm sorry. And this one has a built-in catalytic converter, and oops, sorry, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed, but I'm gonna show you the difference of using this and not using this. So basically how this works is it pulls your O2 out of the exhaust stream and it gives it a refined reading in help of this catalytic converter. Or they have some that have like different size holes, some with bigger holes, smaller holes or whatnot, some that are longer, some that are 90 degrees. It all varies on different vehicles of how much room you have or whatnot. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this video, I'm gonna install this and show you the data logging, what it looks like after this is installed. And I'm gonna probably have to make this into 2 videos because I'm having issues of basically pausing my video while recording and picking up. So we'll do a part 2 and I'll show you the difference. Okay, thank you.